Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. Over the past week, I have challenged myself to draw 100 feet. This was inspired by Med's 100 Heads challenge, which I will link down below, and I wanted to try something a little bit different. What I've decided to do was to pick a picture I liked and draw it before and after having drawn 100 feet. I was mostly curious to see if there would be a clear improvement or not, and I also wanted to take this weird little journey to see what I might learn and observe along the way. The first sketch turned out just fine. I didn't have much judgment about it since it was meant to be the before version anyway. I gave myself 15 minutes to complete it, and you will see me repeat that in a few minutes for the after sketch. Once that was done, I sketched 10 feet using rough lines and shapes, and then tried another 10 using just one line, which means I didn't pick up the pen for the entire feet drawing. It took me too long to find artistic reference pictures online, so I will link those down below. Don't do what I did and rely on Google and Pinterest because my browser history is now very questionable. I kept sketching along and I drew most of them on loose sheets of paper, and I also quickly realized a couple of things. First of all, some angles will always be hard, no matter how skilled you are. Maybe that's just my excuse, but some of the angles just seemed impossible, even after drawing 100 of them. And second of all, the feet look very weird, and even when I look back at certain sketches, they feel a bit off, but if I look at the reference, it's actually somewhat accurate. So sometimes what you draw is what is there, and then sometimes what is there is not what you want to see. Third of all, progress isn't linear. Some of the sketches I drew early on in the challenges are better than the ones I drew later on. I wasn't delusional enough to think that drawing 100 versions of something will make me an expert, and I know that I definitely gained some skills by practicing, but I was a bit disappointed that I didn't always draw better than before. And last but not least, I need to do these types of challenges more often to improve my skills. This really forced me to sketch more and take time to work on something I might completely ignore if I hadn't made myself do this. I actually really enjoyed it, and I will be trying this with other themes and topics. regret is not giving myself more than 15 minutes to finish these comparison drawings. Once I finished the after, I realized I had spent too much time on certain details, and I gave myself another 5 minutes to finish it up. You'll be able to see what it looked like after 15 and after 20 minutes. I can see some vague improvement in the shape, but overall, I'm just happy I took the time to sketch and practice something new and different. I really hope this challenge inspired you to practice and try something new, maybe push yourself a little bit outside of your comfort zone to just learn and improve whatever skill you're learning right now. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in next week's video.